Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Today I'm going to be talking about my recent yarn haul that I purchased from hobbylobby.com. As you know, we're going through this pandemic and we're stuck at home, so I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to purchase some yarn online and work on some projects for future Etsy shop collections as well as craft fairs. So, as you can see here, I have all of the Hobby Lobby I Love This yarn, and I purchased some colors in pastel baby rainbow colors because I have an idea that I want to make with a blanket. I'm really into pastel blankets right now, and I was looking on Pinterest and it came across a few different patterns that I really liked, so I thought I would pick up some pastel rainbow yarn and start making those projects pretty soon. So let me go ahead and show you all the colors that I got. So this first color that I got is a really pretty light blue, and it is called Soft Blue. And if you look on the yarn label, it's 100% acrylic. It is a 7-ounce ball, or 199 grams. And it's also 355 yards, or 325 meters. And the recommended hook size is a size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And for the knitters, it's a size US 8 5 millimeter knitting needle. This is classified as a number 4 worsted weight yarn, and it is machine washable. So that's why I like these yarns, beside the obvious squish factor, is the fact that it is machine washable, which makes it perfect for baby blankets and charity projects and hats and a whole wide array of different projects. So again, this is the soft blue color. This next color that I picked up is this really pretty mint color, and this color is called Menthe, and I just thought it was a really nice color that would go along with my pastel theme. This next one is Light Peach. And again, it's very soft and squishy, and I feel like you get a really decent amount of yarn in each skein, so that's always very nice. This next one is a really pretty lilac color. They call it Orchid, but I always think of it as a lilac, but I know they call it different. But this is a really nice light purple color. This next one is a pink, and this one is just called Pink. Okay, and it's really pretty, and I love how these yarns are a little bit shiny, not too shiny where they have so much of a sheen, kind of like the Karen Simply Soft yarns, but still really pretty. And this final one here that I got is a really nice yellow color, and it's called Buttercup. I never really work with yellow yarn a whole lot, but I made a blanket using this particular color and a white and a light gray color, and it just turned out absolutely beautiful. So I think I'm going to have to incorporate this color a little bit more in my designs, as I really think it's pretty. I also got some different yarn here, and I've never used this before. It's called the Yarn Bee Sugarwheel cotton, and this color is called Lucia Lagoon, if I'm pronouncing that correct. And it's really pretty. It has like a purpley color here, and I guess kind of like a lavender color, a darker purple, light purple, and I guess a little bit of an aqua color on the end here. I bought these because I wanted to make a wall art design, and I'm going to be using this to make the blooming flower cushion. And instead of making a cushion, I'm going to make just the flower until I have my wall art as big as I want it to be, and then I'm going to glue it onto a wooden pallet and use that instead. And the pattern that I mentioned, the blooming flower, you can actually find that on the Attic 24 blog website, and I will go ahead and leave that link below. It's a really pretty pattern. I've used it before when making a cushion or a pillow, and I really enjoyed the process of making that. So I thought I would just use that in a different way with the wall art. So again, this is the Yarn Bee Sugarwheel cotton, and it is a 5-ounce skein, or 142 grams. It is 335 yards, or 306 meters. It's 100% cotton, and it's classified as a number 3 weight yarn, and again, it is machine washable. I would consider it a 3 weight yarn. I think I used a size G crochet hook when I was making the wall art flower, but here it says you can use size US 7 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, and if you're a knitter you can use a US 6 4 millimeter knitting needle, but it's really up to you. Like I said, I just used a size G. I believe that's a 4 millimeter crochet hook. So those are that pretty color. Again, the color is Lucia Lagoon, if that's pronounced correctly. I got 2 more skeins of that. This next one is a really pretty rainbow one, and it's called Sprinkles on Top. Again, I really wanted to get some of the yarn that really would stand out as a beautiful flower, so this rainbow colored yarn is no exception. It has the bright purples and the reds and all the colors of the rainbow, and I really enjoy it a lot, and I think it'll be really fun to work with. And my final color that I have is called Fondant Fun, and I thought it was really pretty and would make a nice flower. And it has purples and like that aqua blue, a gray, a light pink, and then that fuchsia pink color, and then it goes back to that purple color, and I thought it was really pretty, like I said. So all 3 of these will be made into that flower design like I mentioned. Let me go ahead and grab that for you real quick and show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so here's what that flower is going to look like when I'm done with it. And again, it's the Blooming Flower Cushion by Attic 24. And I made it big enough to fit this wood palette. This wood palette I actually got from Michael's. And when I'm done, I'm just going to hot glue it, center the flower, and then hot glue it. And then that way you could hang it on your wall. The wood palette already comes with a hanging loop, so I don't have to make one. But I just thought it was something fun and different for the springtime that I could make, and I was planning on making it for my upcoming craft fair next month, but since it's been canceled, I might just make them and put them up in my Etsy shop instead. But that's basically what they're going to look like, and that's what this yarn produces with this. So this one is another color. I don't remember the color offhand, but it's the same yarn, that Yarn Bee Sugarwheel cotton that I used. So I really like how it turned out, and I definitely want to make some more once I have the time to actually sit down and make that. I'm currently making a bunch of different blankets for my Etsy shop, so this will probably be one of the projects that I make in between all those blankets. So that's it for today for my Hobby Lobby yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed all the colors just as much as I did. I think they're really pretty, and I'm really excited to get started on making those pastel blankets like I mentioned. I'll probably have those up in my Etsy shop within maybe the end of April, early May or so. I want to make a couple different designs and have them for my pastel collection. So let me know if you bought any yarn recently and what yarn you picked up, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to see any future videos that I put out on my channel. And thanks again for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.